So it's been a year since ipXchange caught up with Synaptics, and they've released a brand new AI platform for Embedded World 2024. Hey, it's Eamon with ipXchange at Embedded World 2024. I'm here with Sid from Synaptics, and they've got a new AI software and hardware platform called Astra. So Sid, introduce us to Astra. It came out yesterday.
Yeah.
What does it do?
Yeah, no, we're very excited about this. We launched, as you said, just yesterday, and it's built on the 5 core pillars, so complete compute platforms, where we've got this new kit available. So you get this kit that'll look like this when you open up the box. So it has a common baseboard that can support various different hardware SoCs from us at different performance levels, like a 1680, 1640, and 1620, all coming with various capabilities of decode, encode, and an NPU, so they're AI platforms. So what you're seeing on the screen here is actually our 1680 and a full capability demo. It can actually simultaneously decode and display 2 4K streams. So what you see here, the background is a HDMI input, and decoding a lot of other streams in a variation of 1080 and 720p, and the integrated ISP, so for the camera input and the ability to do that as well.
Cool, so still a big focus on kind of media applications, I see.
So that's the capability. And then this comes complemented with the AI capability, and maybe we'll move over to the next demo where I can show you a little more about AI.
Cool. Before we do that, we'll just talk a little bit more about the board itself. So you said it supports various different system or modules from Synaptics.
Correct.
Is this going to be the new standard for your way of evaluating your technology?
Yes. So effectively you get the standard base board or carrier board, and then you can swap out different variations of the compute board, which comes in 3 different flavors. And this can pair with different options on the back side. Actually, you'll see the connectivity. So it pairs with different connectivity options that Synaptics provides. Everything from 1x1, 2x2, 2x2 plus 1x1, Wi-Fi 6, 6E, and 7 coming later this year.
Oh, nice. So this is a great solution for, I guess, AIoT.
Yes, AIoT, correct.
Nice. And in terms of the connections here,
so we bring out almost all the functionality of the SL1680, which is the highest end. So it has both HDMI in, out, USB, MIPI connectors for both DSI and CSI, so it can do dual display capability as well, and the integrated camera. This is an example of an end product that is based on the SL1680. So it's like a stereoscopic camera used for things like people counting, etc., deployed in airports all around the world.
Nice. That's a lot to take in. Shall we head over to the AI demo and see this baby in action?
Let's do it.
Cool. Cool. So we're now going to see the Astra in action. So what is happening here?
Yes.
Sid?
So previously I showed some of the compute capabilities, like the video decode display. This is highlighting really the AI capability of the platform. So what you're seeing here is 3 different camera inputs and running 3 different AI models. You have like object detection, pose estimation, like body pose estimation, as well as face detection, all running simultaneously at the same time of one platform. In addition to just the capabilities of the chip, we provide this toolkit that makes it seamless for customers to bring their own models, put it into the audio, video, or camera pipeline, and even be able to target different aspects of the hardware.
Cool.
So if we look over here, this is actually the 1620, which is a lower-end, more cost-effective option without an NPU, and it sees the same model, in fact, this same model, running on the GPU instead of the NPU.
Wow, so that is a lot of AI functionality in a single chip.
That's correct.
Just to clarify, is the chip itself new, or is the platform the new thing?
The chip itself has been deployed in millions of units around the world.
Okay, cool. So this is tried and tested, it's readily available.
Yes, tried and tested, but primarily in more video-centric multimedia applications. Now it's pushing, we're seeing a lot of value that other applications could benefit from this AI capability in appliances, security, signage, etc.
Excellent. And so in terms of the availability of the Astra platform, is that
we do have platforms to start giving out, but we expect by Q3 for them to be widely available even from distributors and other means to acquire them as well.
Cool. And if there was a perfect customer for you wanting to evaluate Astra at the moment, what would you say is the perfect person to come to you at this time while we're in early access?
So at this point, we're looking at people that really want to benefit from the AI capabilities. Okay. We believe the combination of power, performance, and price point of our platforms is unique in this space compared to the traditional players like NXP or TI.
Nice. So yes, another new AI platform that you can all get your hands on. Synaptics Astra. So thank you very much, Sid.
Thank you very much.
And I look forward to writing this up because there's going to be a lot to write up.
Hey, yo, where my engineers at?